for their representatives. And again, before we started this whole draft, it was already what Commissioner Sherwin said. You know, we do this draft for parity for the league to level up, and this is what we do. Of course, it's not so favorable for next Philippines, but again, I mentioned also now, I feel like this is gonna be such a, sabi mo nga, deep drafty batch. So I'm really excited to see who's gonna be finally on that official drafty list for PBL.
Pero kahit na pang-apat, may mga names in mind na ba kayo?
Of course, prepared naman kami even before, today arrived, even before we knew that we were gonna be first pick, or at least have the chance pala of getting the first pick. And again, at the end of the day, this is a lottery. It's not up to anybody's decision or chance talaga. So yeah, we're prepared naman. We've been preparing of us to choose with whatever list that comes up on July 4th.
Specific position?
Ako, specific, wala.
Hindi naman, position lang.
Siguro, of course, it really depends talaga. Kasi now, it's still recruitment season. There's still a lot of people who are free agents. There's still a lot of athletes who are knocking on our doors. And you never know, a name suddenly comes up, or someone from the combine, does so well that, someone who's not from NCR, someone who's we haven't seen on TV, steps up on the combine. So, a lot of hopes for all positions.
Medyo malaki-laki pa yung space nyo sa roster. Tingin mo, aabot kayo ng ilang round? Patingin nyo?
Yeah, it really depends. Yun nga, parang deep roster talaga this season. This season. So, we'll see. I mean, for example, just to share, there was one athlete from the NCAA who joined practice one day, and, we weren't even thinking about getting another middle blocker, but, parang naglalaro sa utak ni Coach Atoy na she's good, she can give something that we don't have right now in our roster. So, parang a lot of things are still up in the air for next level, our roster for this year.
Yung immediate reaction ng siguro kanina na the number 1 pick, 2 pick, 3 picks renamed, and even with the highest chances. So
I know,
your thoughts na?
Crazy. Oh my God, kasi nanginginig ako. But yeah, again, coming to today's lottery, at the back of my head, it is still a lottery. The chances, you never know what could happen. And yun nga, parang at least at the end of the day, we're still at number 4. And I think that's a good spot to land in.
Siguro paano lang yung magiging thought process ng next league in the coming days, coming weeks heading into the draft?
I mean, at least I think from today till like the combine, till when they produce the final list of draftees, we still really don't know. And it's one thing that I also confirmed with Commissioner Sherwin na when is like the deadliest deadline for these girls to change their mind. Some of these girls still have OJTs, still have a couple of classes left in their year before they actually graduate, and parang these things would also come into play for their decision making process naman. So for us, we're always gonna be ready, and still hope for the best.
Sisilip ka sa draft combine?
Ha?
Sisilip ka sa draft
combine? Of course, I'll be there with my coaches. I'll see you there.
Thank you.
Salamat.